My name is Heather Radon. I am a healer. That is the base of my work. So whether I'm doing massage or Shibari or breath work, it doesn't matter. Healing is what I'm holding for each individual that shows up. So a lot of people ask me, like, is it sexual? I am not holding the space for it to be sexual. I'm holding the space for whatever needs to show up for it to show up. If sexual energy shows up, it's fine. I'm not going to act on it. You may feel that. You may feel pleasure. You may feel pain. You may feel all kinds of emotions, anger, fear. And I'm going to invite you to breathe into that. I'm going to invite you to surrender into that. Shibari is one of those things. It's such a beautiful art form for people to just let go and be held, to feel safe, to connect in with their truth, to connect with their body, their breath, to release work, to release all thoughts and become right here, right now. There's nowhere else to be. It's a meditation. It's a Japanese art form that just takes you deeply into a transformative meditation that can take you into pleasure, release fear, support and pleasure, to bring out joy. And I'm here to hold a safe space. When I start a session, before we even start, we talk about boundaries and consent. These are vital for me. This is the base of it all. This is the foundation. This is how we create safety together. And then the world opens up. Shibari has been a part of my life for years now, and I am excited to constantly be learning more and growing more. I'm happy to take you on a journey if you so want, or even just have a conversation. My website is theecstaticbody.com. My name is Heather Radon. Come play with me. A sacred, beautiful space. If it calls you,